If you have a business, whether it is online or a brick and mortar one, which is offline, you will need to make sales to keep it profitable. Most of the businesses will say to make use of websites. But we know websites are now a dying breed. If you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing and network marketing and how you can get an education on building an online business, as well as review products and services that can help you. So if you're interested in anything I just mentioned, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss one of these videos. And stay with me on this video, guys, because I will be showing you how you can get a course worth over $1,000 for free. Yes, free. Isn't that awesome? And it will only be available live for a limited time. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome again. It's Joyce here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about what are funnels. Yeah, what are funnels and how they replace website. Okay, not this funnel, the actual funnel. So for a website, its goal is to either sell something or to generate leads for future sales, right? Somewhere in the website there is a page where the sales is being done. So where is it actually? Where is the page? Okay, we have to click, and again click to get there. A customer who is excited to make business with you will click here and click there. All these things are blocking him to get access to what he came for. So he gets confused, and a confused customer never buys, or a confused mind will always say no. Okay. So once this customer leaves your website, you lose a sale, and your company now starts to get low conversion rate, that is a decrease in sales. Most people who have websites for their businesses are facing this problem. But here's where things get interesting. In order to reduce the problem of low conversion rate, the concept of funnels were introduced. Okay. Funnels, not this one. Okay, so what are funnels? They are the future of websites. It's like a 3310 Nokia being replaced by a smartphone, right? They provide a customer the required valuable offer or value he or she was looking for. Instead of having your customer confused or lost surfing through those hundreds of clicks, a funnel presents the solutions to the necessary questions or gives the required information in front of the customer. So depending on your type of business you're doing, your funnel presented in front of your customer can ask them to give their email addresses in order to book a seat for a free webinar, or to invite them to attend a live session training that you are doing, or simply give them a free offer like an ebook. Good? So whatever it is, your funnel will be focusing on one single thing so as not to confuse your customer. Now, let's say that your customer gives you their email address, okay? You can now direct them to a next funnel where you keep interacting with them through a video or other valuable information regarding the thing for which the customer gave you their email address. Good? Now, then you can convince them to buy products you are selling or promoting by taking them to a sales funnel or another funnel. Okay. An awesome example in real life will be to imagine you are going to a supermarket with an idea, or with the idea of buying stuffs for family barbecue. So you go to the supermarket and you're welcomed by a smiling and happy salesperson asking like, "Hey, my name is Ben. What's your name and how can I help you?" And you'll be like, "Oh, my name is Tom and I want to buy a grill for a barbecue." The salesman not only shows you the way, but takes you directly over to the barbecue grill section and shows you the grill. He then asks you, "Do you need charcoal for your barbecue?" and you're like, oh yes, I completely forgot about that. So, and he then takes you to the charcoal section next. And after that, he asks you, will you need chicken, like, or tomato sauce, or chili sauce, or other steps related to your successful barbecue? So what just happened here? The salesman just made more cash, and you, as a customer, you are happy instead of being unhappy because you got all you needed without having to be confused about what to buy next and where to buy them from. Now, this is a win-win situation, and this is a perfect example for a funnel and how a funnel works. Now, funnels give the required information one at a time to the customer to ensure the problems of the customers are being met at every step of the sales process. Now, many of you guys who have businesses will say, but I don't sell barbecue grill or tomato sauce. My business is different. Or should I even use a funnel? Or what funnel should I use? Well, Russell, the CEO of the most successful funnel software provider, which is ClickFunnels, always laughs at such questions. A funnel works for any business, even if you're trying to generate leads or sell products. Funnel will always work for you. Now, for the best part, I am now going to show you where you can get a live course worth more than $1,000 for free, and get started in just 4 days and launch your funnel to start earning money. So allow me to share my screen with you to show you guys. So this is my screen, guys, and this is an email sent by Russell Brunson himself, where it says, want my Funnelology Masterclass for free. So Russell Brunson greets us, Happy New Year, and says that in just 24 hours, he's going to do a live stream and gives us a training for free, a new training. Okay, so before I get started, there's a book called .com Secret, and it talks about strategies, about funnels, and how to get started, and in-depth understanding about funnels. If you haven't read the book, please do read it, and where you can find it, it's in my description box below. Make sure you buy the book. It's free. It's a free book. You just pay the shipping. So what is the training about? Funnelology Masterclass, the new art of science and funnel building. Okay. Russell Brunson says that he just rewrote the entire book, .com Secrets, and gave us new funnel building hacks and strategies, etc. So he will be teaching us about the new funnel hacking in a live stream over 3 days. Okay, we have to register. Upon clicking on here, we'll be directed to a page like this one, and it says that there's a short video of Russell, actually, you can watch it, and it says that Funnelology Masterclass, the new art of science and funnel building. Okay, and how they're going to create the product live. Okay, actually, after the live broadcast, they will sell the course for maybe $1,000 or even higher. But we are getting this 3-day training for free. And what the 3 days consist of is, in day 1, it starts at in the 2nd of January, it starts at 2 p.m. EST, okay, and ends at 4 p.m. EST, and it gives us the secret formula, the value ladder. And in day 2, there is a front end lead sales, unboxing funnels, and day 3, the presentation funnel and back end form funnels. So this is a valuable information that I believe, if you are in the business and you want an online business, it is important for you guys to understand how funnel works. So you have to read the .com Secret book, and if you want to expand further, please do attend the session. So guys, if you are a member of ClickFunnels, you'll be receiving an email from Russell Brunson to join the live web class. But if you're not a member, don't worry. All you need to do is to become a member of ClickFunnels. All you have to do is to check my description box below. You'll find a free trial of ClickFunnels where after getting the trial, the 14 days trial, you will get the email from Russell Brunson. And if you haven't received the email from Russell Brunson, just email me. Here's my email address. Email me, I'll forward you the email for you to get registered and attend the web class. But for any other reasons, if you didn't get the chance to get yourself registered after this video, stay connected for the other part of my videos where I'll describe in depth how you can make use of funnels in ClickFunnels to make money online, become a super affiliate, as well as grow your online business. So if you found value, please comment and tell me about it, and make sure you send me an email to get yourself registered for the free course worth of $1,000. Please do hit the thumbs up button, guys, and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss the next videos that are going to come. It's been fun. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.